Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about um, will good news moon up the market? Okay, will it send Bitcoin to the moon? And then also, we're going to go over the charts and answer some questions. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Okay, hit that subscribe button because over here, I only give you the facts and I help you save money and make money. Okay, either one, whatever you want to pick. Okay, if you want to save money, hey, stop buying the dips. Learn how to read the markets. Learn how to read the charts. If you want to learn how to make money. Okay, so over here, I only focus on the charts. I really don't care about the news and all that stuff. And if you're new to this, hit that subscribe button because I will, show you how it's done. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. This is what I do full time. All right, I have students that's learning this stuff and actually making money from this. And I believe everyone, I believe everyone should try at least one time to try to trade the market because there's a lot of opportunities out here. Okay, right now, guys, it's 8:44 p.m. Eastern time on my side. Hope you guys are good. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. And welcome here. Okay, if you're watching that replay, you can speed it up by hitting settings, speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So let's get this party started. We're going to pop out the chat room if you guys are here. And then we're going to look at this coin market cap. And then we're going to go back to the chat room. So let's look at this coin market cap first. And then we're going to look at this the chat room. So let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. So right now, guys, we are the market, the Bitcoin dominance is at 52.7, right? Market cap is at 120 billion. We're still defending that $100 billion mark. So we're waiting for something because Bitcoin is really not doing anything. If you click on this, let's click on this real quick. I mean, ever since that run up we had, I think either Christmas time. After that, guys, it's just nothing. Okay, so look at this, guys. Okay, all the way from here, we just nothing. Okay, slowly grinding down, but it's trying to trick us and trying to have us on our seats waiting and trying to figure out what's going on. But we're waiting for a move. Okay, and right now the overall market still looks weak. I mean, the volume is still low. Today really not doing anything. Okay, percentage wise. So let's go to the charts. Okay, we're gonna go to the charts, and we're going to look at the Bitcoin 4-hour real quick. Okay, all right. So guys, we talked about this before. Okay, in my opinion, the more they drag this out, right here, the more they drag this. Hold on, this is the wrong one. Hold on, let me see here. Come on, give it to me. The more they drag this out. Okay, pretty much it's not going to be bullish anymore. Okay, we might have a push up, a slight push up. Okay, just to go right back down. This push up could actually hit the top. It could, but honestly, guys, I'm leaning more to the downside with this move right here. I don't like it. It doesn't look bullish to me, and that's it. It's just what it is. It's taking too long to go up. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this thing to pop up to the upside. Like I said, anything is possible. But for me right now, I'm leaning to the downside because it looks, it's actually taking too long. Okay. It's really taking too long right now. Now, we have resistance right here. So even if we do decide to pop up one more time, resistance is right here. And we could fall right back down. Okay, we don't even have to make a new high at all. Okay, even if we do make a little high, a new high, it could poke up a little bit just to go right back down. Okay, but right now it's actually looking real bearish, and I definitely expect some type of move. Maybe not this week, but probably next week. Okay, or it could be the end of this week. Okay, and that's what I'm looking at. So let's look at these other coins real quick, and then we're gonna go to the chat room. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Right? If you have any questions, type it in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of everything in the crypto market, hit that subscribe button, because over here I only give you guys the facts. I basically help you save money during this bear market. I help you make money. I help you understand what's really going on. So hit that subscribe button. Right now with Litecoin, hold on, my daughter. Oh my gosh. Anyway, Litecoin right here is struggling to make a new high. So it looks like continuation to the downside. Right? Definitely look like continuation to the downside. Let's see what's going on here. Ethereum right here, we try to make a new high and it's struggling to go to the upside. Hey, hold on, guys. My daughter's at the door. Hey, what are you doing? Alrighty, so I'm back. My daughter basically roaming all over the house. My wife is actually I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, so Litecoin on actually Ethereum, we actually made a high right here, and it's we sold off. So we will see what's going on with this. What else? Litecoin, we did that already, right? So let's go to Bitcoin Cash. What's going on with that? So Bitcoin Cash, okay, we basically broke out, okay, and we pulled out to the we pulled back to the breakout. So we will see if it will continue to go right back down, or it will hold support right here. Okay, Tron TRX, we talked about this multiple times. How Tron TRX has this resistance. We can see it better on a daily chart. Okay, resistance right here. We talked about this multiple times, guys. All right, Tron is actually looking real good for a short setup. Did we did Bitcoin Cash already? Yes, we did. I think let's go to XRP real quick. And shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Any of you guys have any questions, please type it in. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So XRP, same thing, guys. It's really not doing anything. It's at these XRP is at the hold on, let me see if I can get my XRP chart. Where's that? Where's my XRP? The one that have all the drawing on it. Hold on. I don't know where is that. Let me see. It should be this one. Here we go. So basically we broke this triangle. We popped up. We broke it again. We popped up. So right now it's just hang around the bottom of this triangle, and anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. We can most likely try to pop up one more time, but honestly it looks real bearish. So just be careful with this. So guys, the market is bearish. It's just what it is. It's nothing really nothing new to this. Just be careful. I know you hear a lot of craziness in the crypto space, but just stay calm, guys. Stay calm and continue to see the bigger picture. So let's go back to these questions. Shout out to Bobby, Dan, Danny, Peter. What's going on, guys? Sean, Crypto, Corey, Randy, David, James. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. All right. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by again. If you do have some questions, type it in. Okay. If you have any questions, type it in. If you're frustrated, hit that subscribe button. So let me see if I see any questions right now. Is XRP worth holding? Hold on. I'm starting to think you have a button with your daughter's cry. Oh man, my wife's supposed to be, taking care of her, and then she's just, because right now I'm on the other side of the house. Okay, so there's no reason why my daughter should be over here, but she comes over here anyway, because I guess she hears my voice. I don't know. But anyway, let me see here. So Wadi said, is XRP worth holding? Okay. That's a good question. Is XRP worth holding? That's a good question. Basically, XRP right now, as we speak, looks like it has more downside. All right. It's just what it is. If you look at it, if you just look at it, in a bigger picture, if I flip XRP upside down right now, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's flip XRP up, and if you look at XRP right now, this is XRP flip upside down. And if you didn't know this was XRP chart, okay, honestly, you would say, man, this thing looks like it's about to break out and make some new highs. Okay, so XRP looks like it's trying to continue to go down. We have this big triangle that looks kind of scary. It's up to you, bro. Like I said, I can't really give anyone financial advice. Is it worth holding? Honestly, if it was up to me, if I was holding XRP, it actually all depends on your situation. I usually tell people that. Okay, I usually tell people it all depends on your situation. Meaning that, okay, if let's say that you have all your money in XRP right now, then if it was me, yeah, I will pull out most of my money. Now let's say that you have, just a little bit in it, then, you can wait it out and see, and go from there. Okay. Or let's say that you have a decent amount in XRP. Well, maybe you want to sell, half of it, or 70% of it, or whatever the case is, and wait to see what's going on and take the rest and do other things with that. So that's the way I would approach the situation. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. Okay, it's all depend on your situation. Everybody's situation is different. It all depends on how much you went in. Like if you just, like, I know a lot of people just go straight in these coins and empty out their bank account and put all their money in these coins. So like I said, it all depends on your situation and what situation you are in right now. Hopefully you didn't put all your money, but at the end of the day, we all have to learn. Okay, because trust me, when I first started out learning how to trade or invest, I put all my money into stocks too. So I'm not really going to, talk bad about anybody that put money or all their money into these coins or, stocks, period. So let's go back to these, to the chart and these questions, and we go from there. James, can you please look at the Nasdaq? Where do you see it going? Hold on, guys. Let me see Nasdaq. Okay. Basically, right now Nasdaq has room to continue to go up. Okay, Nasdaq and the S&P 500, the Dow, all these markets have room to go up. Okay, right now this doesn't look like the end. Okay, it looks like we have room to continue to go up. So the question is, okay, is it going to go up to the high, or just going to go up to this left shoulder that we have? We have a nice little left shoulder right here. So either one, we can go to this left shoulder right here, okay, which is going to be an obvious resistance level, okay, or are we going right back to the highs, okay? But by looking at this chart, we have a lot of room to go up, and honestly, a lot of money to be made. When I'm day trading the S&P 500 or any of these charts, for the most part, I'm going long. Okay, it's just it's like a never-ending story. Like, these guys, all they want to do is go long. So I'm not going to fight the trend. Let's go back to these questions. What's your look on oil? Let me see. Yeah, oil has room to go up to. Oil has room to go up to. Okay. Definitely oil has room to go up. This one is kind of tricky though right now. Oil is a little tricky because this one is actually coming from this big, this huge drop. Okay, so this is kind of tricky. Only reason why I'm saying that because this reversal looks good, right? So it looks like we could definitely continue to go back up. But if we do make new highs, it could pull back another time. Okay. You can pull back one more time or two more times just to go right back up, okay? So I know you guys, if you see this go down, you think it's probably going to go down just to go right back up. So this could be a tricky one right here because you might see a pullback before it go back up, or it might just shoot up right here, all right? But keep that in mind. It definitely looks like it wants to go up some more until I see more signs or any signs of the bears coming in. It just looks real bullish. Okay, it looks real bullish right now. All right, so let's go back to these questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of your job and you want to figure out how to make more money from these markets, hit that subscribe button. Okay, this is what I do full time, Monday through Friday. Okay, I trade the markets. I love it. Okay, it changed my life. I only look at the charts, and this is what I do. Right? It's honestly, it's a dream job. Okay, guys, it's a job where you can actually pick up, go anywhere around the world, and still make money. Okay. EOS looking bullish. Let me see. Honestly, I don't really think any crypto right now is looking bullish except for a crypto that's probably first started out. A crypto that was a new crypto, a new coin that launched yesterday or something, or last week. But any other cryptos right now, bullish really is not really what you want to say about these coins. because they really have not proven themselves to continue to go up. So right now, yes, this looks good. Looks like a good pop, but how far can we go? Okay, so we have to wait to see if EOS can actually continue to make new highs, and then we go from there. All right, that's what professionals do. We don't guess. We don't say, hey man, Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this year. We don't do things like that. Okay, we react to what's going on right now, and then we take action. Okay, trust me, you're not going to make money by saying XRP will go to $3 by the end of this year. Bitcoin is going to hit 100K by the end of this year. You know, you're not going to make money like that. Let me just go back to these questions. Hey, what's going on, Davina? Shout out to you. David said, I'm going to get 1K worth of XRP and see how fast it will turn to 20K. Let me see and see how fast I can get 20K. XRP short selling it. So basically what you're trying to say is you're trying to short sell XRP. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say, David. Are you trying to say you're trying to short sell XRP, or are you trying to buy it? Let's go back to these questions. No problem, Wadi. So are you trading crude oil at the moment or the S&P? Bobby, what's up? What's going on? Right now, I'm actually trading S&P, but I might switch back to the crude oil. You know, I go back and forth, or I might actually switch to the Nasdaq. Okay, because lately the S&P 500, you know, the volatility, you know, went down. So I might either switch to the crude oil or the Nasdaq. Okay. Because honestly, like, it slowed down a lot, the S&P. Okay, I mean, don't get it twisted. It's still money to be made, but it's a little slow. So I'm probably going to switch back to the crude oil or the Nasdaq. Okay, I haven't traded Nasdaq in a while, but I might try that out this week, next week. What's going on, Carl? What's going on, bro? Joseph said, hello, everyone. I bought the course 2 weeks ago, and it made a big difference in how I trade. Saved me a lot of money. I'm interested in the other course you offer. Shout out to you, Joseph. Appreciate the super chat, too. Shout out to you for that super chat, and shout out to you for that nice little testimonial right there. Let me give you a round of applause. So shout out to you. I'm glad that I'm able to save you a lot of money and able to help you understand the markets. And if anyone really don't know what he's talking about, basically he has this course right here. I usually give you guys a break during the live stream, so let's get that out of the way. I give you guys that 50% discount during the live stream, and the live stream only. I know a lot of you guys email me and say, hey bro, why is the price $300? Because the price is $300. Only time you can get it for $150 is during the live stream. Okay, so please understand that. So if you guys don't have this, check it out. It will help you navigate through this bear market and the bull market. Okay, it's the best of both worlds, and I have testimonials. Just go look at it. Okay, testimonials all over the place. People making money. It will show you how to enter, exit. A whole bunch of stuff. So check that out. It comes with a Discord room. If you have any questions, let me know. And shout out to you, Joseph. Joseph said you're interested in the other course. Yes, Joseph. Joseph, let me actually email me whenever you're ready. Okay, let me give you my email address, Joseph. All right, here you go, right here. Whenever you're ready, let me know, because if you got the crypto course already, that means you get a discount. Okay, so you don't have to pay the full price. Anybody that has a crypto course don't really have to pay the full price when it comes to my day trading course. Okay, this will actually show you how to make money from day trading the futures market. Okay, so if you want to learn how I make 1K to 5K a day from trading the futures, then this course right here is for you. Okay, it will basically blow your mind and help you go to the next level. Shout out to everybody that's here. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel and you want to just understand the market better. Okay, right now Bitcoin, if you look at it overall, it's pointing down, and that's all you have to know. Okay, it's not complicated, guys. Don't complicate things, right? Don't make things complex. Some of you guys just complicate things and try to sound smart. Guys, if we're pointing down, that means the overall big picture is to the downside until Bitcoin gives us signs, right, that it want to go up. Okay, Bitcoin during this bear market have not given us any signs yet, so we just have to wait for confirmation, guys. It's that simple. Okay, how do you think a guy like me can actually come on these live streams and sound calm, okay, and be calm on these live streams, and answer questions and give you guys what I see on the charts? It's because I make things simple for myself, right? It's just real simple, guys. The overall trend is what? Down. Okay, so I'm not looking for any longs. I'm not looking for no long. I'm not trying to catch the bottom. I don't really care about the bottom. Okay, I want to go with the major trend. The major trend right now is to the downside. Why should I go against the major trend? It doesn't make any sense. I know a lot of people want to play this bull flag right here, or this so-called bull flag right here, but I think a lot of people might get burnt on this bull flag. Okay, we have to wait and see. Like I said before, right now it's looking real bearish. Okay, because it's taking too long to shoot up. But I'm saying we will wait and see. We do have resistance right here at that 36, 37 level. So, keep that in mind. But shout out to you, Joseph. I appreciate it, man. Again, for that super chat, bro. Bobby said, "Okay, thanks. I haven't heard of you talking about the trade in the Nasdaq much." Yes, the reason why you never heard of me talk about it, because if you're new to the futures world, that market is very volatile. So your stops might have to be a little larger. Okay, so that's why I don't really talk about it with my students, because your stops have to probably be larger, because the volatility is there. Okay, the volatility is there in that market. But if the volatility is there, that means your stops have to be larger. Okay, but every market is the same. Every market is the same. You just gotta play every market the same. LA said that's thanks for the facts, bro. Shout out to you, Mikey Diamonds. What's going on, Mikey Diamonds? Where you been at, bro? Joseph says, sounds good. Let's do it. I'll be reaching you out to you after this. Yeah, shout out to you, bro. Actually, email me right now so I can, make sure, I got your information. But shout out to you, Joseph. Mikey Diamond said, I haven't been making any trades lately, waiting for the market to make some big moves. Yes, I hear you, bro. And honestly, that's good. That's a good thing. Okay, you don't have to rush. Okay, you don't have to rush. You don't have to force anything, guys. All right, let's be professionals over here. Let's let the market come to us and let the market speak to us. All right. I know some of you guys want to rush things and force things. No, let the market speak to us. Okay, this is a language right here. Okay, this is a language. It's a language the market is talking. The market is never wrong. It will always tell you the truth. Okay. We shot down right here. We was doing corrections right here. We broke out of this flag right here. Okay, that's the market speaking to us. All right, it was telling us, hey man, when we flagging like this, that's a strong possibility we are going to break down and continue to go down. All right, we did the same thing right here. We went down. We flagged again. Okay, we broke out of this. Okay, the market is telling us, hey man, another flag means most likely we will continue to go down. Okay, boom, we break out. We did another flag. Okay, the market is always talking to you, always talking to you. Understand the language. Okay, once you can understand the language, then you can understand, hey man, I can actually do this full time, or I can actually make consistent money from this. Right? Most of you guys are honestly, some of you guys are too lazy to even learn how to read the charts. You know, your guys think that the bull market is around the corner. Actually, let's talk about the topic of the day, guys. All right. And if you guys have any questions, type it in. Type it in right now. If you're new to my channel, I know some of you guys have questions. You know, I have 11 years of experience. So if you're new to the channel, type in your questions. All right. So the question of the day, guys, is will good news send Bitcoin to the moon? Right? Will good news send Bitcoin to the moon? Okay. And the answer is no, not in the bear market. See, the bear market doesn't work like that, guys. The bear market is not obvious. It's not designed to be obvious. Okay. This is why when I told you guys, when we was in this crazy range right here, everybody was called, first people called a double bottom right here. I told you guys, don't listen to that, guys. Please do not listen to a double bottom, right? Okay. And then they call a triple bottom right here. I said, guys, please do not listen to these guys. All right. These guys in the crypto space are like, you know, they crazy. Okay. They don't understand this. They don't do this full time. Please do not listen to these guys. Then they call the inverse head and shoulders. I said, guys, please do not listen to these guys. These guys really don't know what they're talking about. Okay. And then they said, you know, quadruple bottom. I don't know. So, then you had people in the crypto space saying it's impossible for Bitcoin to go below 6,000. It will never go below 6,000. Blah blah blah. So guys, please don't listen to these guys. These guys do not know what they're talking about. Okay. We've been, you know, when we was consolidating over here, we got good news all over the place, and guess what, guys? Break to the downside. Guys, good news in the bear market is too obvious, all right? It's too obvious. You have crypto YouTubers love, you know, some of these guys love to give you good news. Actually, let me ask you a real question right now. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, right now. Actually, let me give you what's that bomb button? All right. Okay, listen. Guys, listen up. Right? Hold on, my computer's acting up real quick. Hold on. I had to drop that bomb button, guys. Listen up, guys. Listen up. All right? I want to ask you a serious question, guys. Listen. Answer this, right? Your favorite crypto YouTuber been giving you good news since 2018 all the way until, you know, till now. Let me ask you a question. Has that good news put any money in your pocket right now? Okay, or, you know, throughout the whole bear market? The answer is no. Okay. Any good news, right? Because you know these YouTubers, guys, I have good news for you. Guys, you heard this good news? Okay. They go to websites like this and show you good news every single day. Has any of these good news, put any money in your pocket? And the answer is no. So you have to, ask yourself, do you want good news or do you want the truth? Do you want good news or do you want to make money? Which one do you want? Okay, because some of you guys may say, hey man, you're saying that the market is going down or it looks like it's going to go down. That's not good news. Bro, it is good news. Okay. The reason why it's not good news to you is because you're looking at the market in another way. Okay. It's good news because there's money to be made. Money to be made. Right? Most of you guys are too lazy to figure out how to make money during this bear market because you think the bull market is around the corner. The same way you thought the bull market was around the corner at 10,000, at 8,000, at 7,000, at 6,000, at 6,000, at 6,000, at 6,000. You probably load up over here, right? You probably put all your money into this bottom right here. And we broke down, okay? You probably bought some more right here. You probably bought some more right here. Now you're probably buying some more right now, okay? Just because you think the bear market or the bull market is coming soon. Guys, listen. How about trying something new, okay? How about not keep on, how about, don't repeat yourself over and over and over because honestly, it's not working, right? The definition of insanity is doing something over and over and over, right? Guys, good news in the bear market is worthless, right? I can guarantee you, if you go back to 2015, I can probably guarantee you that bottom right there wasn't good news. It probably wasn't good news that brought up the market. It was probably a lot of bad news during the bottom right there in 2015 to 2016. Okay, so don't expect good news to moon the market because it's too obvious, right? Most of you guys think that back is going to save the market. You think the ETF is going to save the market. You think the halving is going to save the market. You have charts like this telling people 2020 is going to moon up because the halving, and we're going to just going to moon up just because of good news. All right. You have guys like him, right? I know some of you guys read news like this and you get hyped. Mike Novogratz, right, predicts Bitcoin rally to 8K because he's saying that, the institutions coming in the next 6 to 12 months, okay? And all of a sudden, the market is just going to moon up. It doesn't work like that, guys, okay? The big dogs are not going to alert everybody and say, hey, man, listen, guys, sit down, okay? Let me tell you something. The market is about to moon. We all about to make a lot of money, okay, guys? So be prepared, all right? Just keep on buying. We all going to make millions, so guys, just be patient. It doesn't work like that. It's not that easy, okay? The big dogs don't warn the general public we about to moon up. So when you read articles like this, please do not believe guys like this, all right? Don't believe articles or news like this, okay? They're not going to warn you and say, hey, man, we're going to moon up, so let's make millions together. No, they're not going to do that, right? This is why you shouldn't depend on the chart. I mean, not the chart, the news, and depend on the chart, right? The chart will tell you if we're going to moon or not. Guys, that's why I don't care about articles like this because it doesn't matter. Is the chart telling me we're gonna moon up? If it's not, then who cares? So guys, please don't let these guys trick you. The whales, the big dogs, all they want to do is trick you. That's all they want to do. Okay? And when things are too obvious, guys, especially in the bear market, when things are too obvious, please, be cautious. So let's go back to these questions. If you guys have any questions, type it in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are, new to the crypto space or new to invest in the investing world, hit that subscribe button right now. I can help you out. Okay, I can help you either save money or make money, and just help you see, things a little bit better. So let's go back to these questions, and we go from there, guys. What do you think about the passive income from something like UPS? David, what is the UPS upstake? Okay. Nate said, any thoughts on ETH? Okay, shout out to Nate for giving me that $1.99 super chat. My thoughts on ETH. Okay, it did a nice pop. Okay, depending on Bitcoin, we could make another high, but it all depends on Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is going to do. Right now, I don't like how it looks. It could, this could be a flag, right? Where it can actually break out of this flag. So yes, this could actually be another up move. Okay. My thing is, if it is another up move, how far? That's my thing. How far could this baby go? Right? How far could ETH go? If ETH breaks out a lot, of course, we can go right back to the 150s. Okay, that's if it decides to break out a lot. You could definitely go back to the 150s, 149. But it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to make a big move up, okay? Bitcoin wants to make a big move up. Yes, ETH can hit that 148, 150s, okay? Right now, the way I'm looking at Bitcoin, it looks sluggish right now, and we just have to wait and see. Okay, I'm leaning more to the downside, but we will see. Okay, but shout out to you for that super chat. I appreciate that. Let's go back to these questions. And okay, so you should just email me. Shout out to you, Joseph. Thanks again. No problem, Joseph. I definitely will get to your email as soon as I get off this live stream. Who knew a better time is coming? Ben Golden Cross will be here 2019. I don't know what you mean by that, but shout out to you. You said ZRX. You said it dropped today. So what price? What price did you get in with the ZRX? All right. Let me look at the daily. Yeah, this doesn't look good right now. It's just dropping. Let me see if I can see a different chart. Let me see. Yeah, it just looks. It looks. I mean, if you look at this right here, we had this big triangle. I had it up here already. We had it up here already. This triangle, and it basically broke out of this triangle, right? Broke out of the triangle, and it pulled back to the breakout, and then it went back down. And usually, when it does something like that, that's not a good sign, because it's basically validating, it's saying that this breakout is real. Okay, if we break out, pull back to the breakout, and then find resistance at the breakout, and sellers come back in, that most likely that means we're going to continue to go back down. So definitely expect some new lows with this. Alrighty, here, let's go back. Joseph said, nope, hopes and dreams. Yes, man, yes. Hopes and dreams. Nokia said, Bart, okay. On which chart? Nate said, thanks. Yeah, no problem, bro. You said UPS is a stable coin, but that increases in value by verifying burning of tokens. And it's supposed to be residual income. You said passive income. Honestly, anything that sounds too good to be true, bro. Honestly, I just, I'm thinking straight up BitConnect situation. Honestly, when we was in the bull market, I never talked about BitConnect because I didn't like how it sound. It sound too good to be true, and it sound too scammy. So anything that sounds too good to be true, I'm not really with it. Honestly, you know. Yes, guys. So if you guys have any questions, you can type it in. If not, we can, finish this live stream. But anybody don't have this course by now, check it out right now. It's 50% off during the live stream. When I get off, it's going back to $300. So check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. You can also email me if you have any questions. But guys, what we're looking at right now, it looks kind of scary because we're forming a triangle. Okay, we are forming a triangle. You really don't want to form a triangle during a bear market because that usually means continuation, right? The same way we formed a triangle at 6,000 and it was continuation. Now we're forming a smaller triangle. Most likely that can mean continuation too. Even if we break to the upside, it still means continuation because that break to the upside can actually be a false break just to go right back down. All right. So guys, please stop picking bottoms, right? Just learn how to read the charts. I mean, what's so hard? Stop thinking that you know it all. I know you guys is gonna get, some of you guys are gonna get tax returns very soon. Some of you guys are gonna get tax returns very soon. So please, guys, I beg you, I beg you guys, please. Okay, I don't care what coin it is. I don't care how good your coin looks, guys. I beg you, from the bottom of my heart, guys. Please do not waste your tax money on buying the bottom on any coin, please. Okay, save that money, all right? Don't waste it. I know some of you guys are fiending for your tax return so you can buy the dips. Please do not do that, okay? I beg you, please do not do that. All right, so let's see if I see any more questions, and we can, we can wrap things up. Big Connect, yeah, man. Trevon James. Trevon James actually is reinventing himself. He's doing some new videos now. So I don't know if, I don't know how that's gonna work out, but it is what it is. How about you, man? When will BTC drop to 28? I don't know when. It's very hard to tell when BTC will drop or down. But I do expect another move down. The way they are holding this market up, it looks like they probably either want to make a move. They might try to hold this up another month. So we might not see any type of real move until either the end of February or March. Okay, but just be careful. I mean, even next week, if we continue to go down, that doesn't mean that we're going to go down a lot. Okay, we can bounce some more. Okay, so if we go down and hit that 3,200, we can bounce up once again. Okay, so they can hold this market up, for the whole month of February, just to confuse you. So I don't really know 2,800 when it's going to hit, but you always have to be prepared. All right, so let's go back to these questions, and then we could go from there, guys. James Lee said a lot of fireworks yesterday in the Discord room. Oh man, yeah, man. That's what happened when you have a lot of egos in the room. Sometimes you're gonna clash, but at the end of the day, we all are human, so we make mistakes, and then we move on. Litecoin Golden Cross on the daily. Litecoin. So you trying to say Litecoin is going to moon up? Yeah, crypto water. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's pretty funny too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Apple, Death Cross, bear market starting. Um, I check Apple. Hold on. Green Thumb said, which is more profitable in your opinion, Forex or crypto? I'm thinking I'm trading Forex while crypto is slow. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. Okay. Yeah, man. I told you guys that once you learn how to read the charts, right, you don't have to become a slave to a certain market. Okay, so we all love cryptocurrencies. Okay, but at the end of the day, if cryptocurrencies is moving slow, and you want to trade and make money, yeah, you can go to other markets like Forex. Okay, so if you feel that you want to go to Forex, yes. Okay, because right now, if you look at the 4 hour, if you look at Bitcoin, you see how it's just going sideways for no apparent reason. No apparent reason. So yes, if you want to trade the Forex, Forex is moving, gold, commodities. I have students that use my strategies that I have in the crypto course, and they trade in gold, they trade in Forex, futures, commodities. So Apple. Somebody asked about Apple. Um, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, that was a huge drop, And yes, Apple could, go up a little bit and fall right back down. And if it does, that's definitely a bearish sign. I really didn't check these big stocks. What was the alphabet? Let me see. Yeah, these big stocks off following. This looks like a big head and shoulders right here. We'll see if it's going to complete. But for the most part, if the market continues to go up, most of these stocks will continue to go up too. Facebook actually gapped up a little bit, so we'll see if it closed the gap. But yeah, I mean, pretty much all these big stocks, they overvalued. Okay, they can't continue to go up like this. It's ridiculous. So I definitely expect some, a crash, but they can easily drag this market another year or two before it decides to make some type of crash. Want chain. I don't know. Is that on Trading View? If it's not on Trading View, that means I can't really want. Let's see. It's on Trading View. Okay, it's on Trading View right here. Yeah, this chart looks weak right now, bro. This chart looks real weak, bro. I mean, unless we decide to get a pop, to the upside, we will, you have to see how this triangle pans out right here. Okay, we have this triangle right here that broke out, so we have to see if this pans out. Okay. If it, decides to break up, then maybe we can see some upside, but right now it just broke out this triangle, so we have to wait. Yeah, no problem, Green Thumb. So, all right, guys. So, I'm about to hit. What's going on, Neil? Shout out to you. You big? You said you're big into what the one? Okay, the one chain. Okay. Okay. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Okay. I'm about to answer some emails and basically get my life together, get some rest so I can trade tomorrow. But if you guys have any more questions, you can definitely email me. And shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next live chat. Make sure you continue to improve, continue to improve as an individual, as an investor, as a trader. Practice. Make sure that you study these charts daily, and just work on yourself so you can get to the next level. Okay, this channel is deeper than crypto or deeper than the financial markets. I want you guys to eventually quit your jobs. All right, go to the next level. I think that's the ultimate freedom. I think you really can't live a decent life working for someone 6 days, 5 days a week. So anyway, guys, be careful right here. I hope you guys are not trying to buy the bottoms. The more we continue to go sideways, it's just going to look more bearish. Okay, so be careful with this, and just be patient. Okay, just be patient and wait for good signals. All right. So talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great day, and have a great day. Have a great night, guys, and continue to improve, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later.